Hey ladies, in this video we're going to be talking about how to fix a Fora application not working. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, try force closing your application and reopening it. If that still doesn't work, what you want to do is simply go ahead and clear your cache. So this is done in two ways. So in Android and in iPhone, it's completely different. In Android, you just need to head into settings and then head into storage and then select the application and then clear cache. In iOS, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store. Click on your profile icon on the top right. Once you've done that, scroll a little bit down and click on Personalize Recommendations right over here. And then click on Clear App Usage Data and click on that. Once you've done that, what you want to do still is head into your settings application. Scroll a little and click on General. Now scroll a little more and then click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and now click on reset all settings. Once you've done that, it should go ahead and work. If it still doesn't, and then there's no option instead of just uninstalling and then reinstalling your application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.